everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing a Valentine inspired sort of makeup look, a rosy smoky look, which you can see that I'm wearing now. And I'm going to be using products that were sent to me from Stylevana, who I've collaborated with before. They sent me these products for free in exchange for a review and a little video of me testing them all out. I used to be subscribed to a Korean subscription box and I absolutely love their makeup, from what I've tried anyway. So when I was asked if I was interested in doing this video, I jumped at the chance. I couldn't wait to see what they'd send me. Quite a few products here. You will be seeing them in more detail as we go through this video, and also you'll be seeing how I apply them and what my thoughts are. So I'll just go through them one by one just to show you. So the first product is a cushion foundation, and this is called Moonshot, and this is in shade beige, and this is a micro super fit cushion fix foundation, and it's SPF 50. It's high coverage but gives a natural finish, and also it claims to last 48 hours as well. Next we got a McQueen, and this is a microfit powder. This is a fine pressed setting powder, comes with a little puff and a mirror. It's a very pale, very pale pink, so more like a brightening powder. Next, another McQueen product, and this is a blush, and this is the Love Sun blush, and I've got it in shade apricot peach, I should say. Next I got an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Hamish. This is the Roses collection, and I've got it in Rose Memory. It does come with a brush, but it's somewhere on here. So you got a mirror, and then you can see the shades there. Next I got another product by Hamish, and this is the Diaryofabeautygeek smudge proof or waterproof long lasting mascara. And then lastly, some lipstick. Now this is Bare Lips, and I've got it in shade Ruddy. Is it Ruddy or Rubby? No, it's not Rubby. Ruddy. So it's like a tinted lip gloss slash stain. There. So there you go. So those are all the products I've applied to my face to create this smoky rose sort of Valentine makeup look. So if you're interested in creating this look for yourself, then I hope you find it okay following along. Or if you're just interested in these products, what my thoughts are, how they apply, etc., then carry on watching. All links and everything related to Stylevana and the products that I've used, you'll find them down in my description, as well as discount codes off their website as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. So on to applying the makeup. I've prepped my face ready, it's all moisturised, and I got a little bit of lip balm on as well because my lips are a bit dry. So the first item I'm going to be using is their Moonshot foundation. This is the cushion foundation, and I've got it in shade beige 201. You're not going to be able to see much there. This cushion foundation claims to last up to 48 hours. It has a high SPF of 50 as well, and also it provides a high coverage but with a natural sort of finish. So you can see a mirror there. I just opened it up. Now they also do refills, which you'll be able to see there. So you're able to pull this off and replace it. Now the colour, I've got to be honest, looks quite dark. From what I can see on their website, there's 3 shades. There's ivory, there's beige, which is what I've got, and then there's honey. So yeah, so let's give it a go. I haven't used one of these in a long time. So I'm going to use the sponge that it comes with and the mirror. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, Alon. Okay, just press that down. See it on there. Ooh, the colour is okay. The colour is a pretty good match so far. It feels so nice and cool. Oh, I love it. It feels really cooling on the skin. Look at the coverage. Woo! It's a really good skin tone match for me, but because of the high coverage I will need to bronze my skin up a little bit, add a bit more colour to the cheeks. But yeah, it feels really nice applying to my skin. It's really nice, I like it, but I don't really like that. It just feels really odd applying it with this. I've just dampened down this beauty blending sponge, so I'm going to see what it's like applying it to the other side with this instead, because this is what I'm used to. Yeah, much prefer this. Much prefer this. You just do what's best for you, isn't it? That's the thing with all makeup, really. There's no particular set where you have to do things. Yeah, I feel like it's really going into my skin and blending well with the Beauty Blender. I am really impressed. I am really, really impressed so far. I think it's a gorgeous finish. It's covering really well. I wonder how long these last for. If any of you have got one of these, please let me know in the comments. So this foundation, I'm going to apply some concealer. Just using the end of the sponge. Next I'm going to set my concealer in place by using a pressed powder. And this is by McQueen, and this is their Microfit Finish Powder. And I've had a look on the website. There's a lot of information in Korean, but as far as English goes, there's not much there. But from what I gather on their website, this powder is suitable for all skin types. It's a matte finishing powder that is specifically good for blurring imperfections and pores. So we've got a little mirror there. And then we've got a protector, which I really like. I love the packaging, the detail that goes into the packaging in these products. Really, really lovely. Woo, you might not be able to see. It's a very cool tone shade from what I can gather from here anyway. So be good for brightening. Using the little buff that it comes with, I'm gonna dab that on my nose first. Just see if it disguises the pores. Yeah, the colour's okay. The colour's okay. And then a little bit underneath my eyes. Straight away I can see that it's quite dry and underneath my eyes. I do really like it for my face, but I know that next time I'm going to use this, I'm going to use a brush and just lightly tap it underneath my eyes just to set it. But yeah, it's a really nice powder. A really nice powder, but not a sponge applicator for me. So there's that. So before I go on to the next product by Stylevana, which is their blush, I'm going to do my eyebrows and my bronzer off camera, and I'll be back in a minute. I've done my eyebrows and a little bit of bronzer, and I'm going to be trying out the McQueen blush, and this is in shade Apricot Peach. The packaging is gorgeous again. Really love Korean packaging on their makeup. And that's the shade there. So let's try a little bit on my hand first. There. Oh, that's subtle. That's really nice. So using a big fluffy brush, just dab that on top of my bronzer. It's nice. It is really, really nice. That's just given me a really, really gorgeous lift. I really like that. It's matte. There's no shimmers in it at all. Oh, that is gorgeous. I really like that. I do. I really like that. Oh, whoa. I am really impressed. Really impressed. Perfect colour for me as well. So yeah, just use the rest on my face. Add in some highlighter. Now using a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to lightly blend that in together. Not swirling it around because I don't want to create like a muddy mess on my face, but just make it softer. So that's my base done using the foundation, face powder and powder blush from Stylevana, and then using a few other products of my own. Now on to eyeshadow, and I can't wait to have a look at this. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Again, look. You open it up like that and it looks like a phone case. That's exactly what it looks like. This is by the brand Hemish, and this is the Rose Memory Palette. That's what it looks like there. You've got a little brush and look at those shades. Oopsie daisies. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're really, really pretty. As well as Rose Memory, which is the shade range I have, they also do a Coral Essay as well. I just realised they're not exactly in a row, are they? They are really pretty. Really, really pretty. So using this one up here, which is called Rose Pale, I'm just going to do a watercolour over my lids. Just bring it up to the brow bone. Going straight in with the dark rose here. I'm just going to press that into my eye, the outer corner. And then bring that up and out. Whenever I think of Valentine makeup, I always think of sort of soft, smoky, sultry sort of makeup. So that's what I've got in mind when I'm doing this. Just blending that over, softening it as I go. I'm not adding on any extra shadow. Bring it right down there. These blend really nicely. I really like it so far. Yeah, not leaving any lines or anything like some eyeshadows do. They're just really nice to work with so far. I'm really excited to try the glitters, see what they are like. Okay, so that's one eye done. So just softening the top line, bringing it out. Again, no extra shading, no extra eyeshadow. I am going to be adding another colour here as well. Using this one here, which is called Pink Rose, using the same brush. I'm using that in the middle of the eyes. Just going right at the top there. And then blend that into the well, brown it is. It says dark rose, but it's brown. Again, this is matte, so I'm working with all mattes at the moment. And then bring that over there a little bit. Just add a little bit of colour just at the top there. And I will be darkening this outer corner up again afterwards. But just tap the colour on all the way around like that. And I'll be back over here. Then using a clean fluffy brush, lightly blend the tops through. Before I go in with any glitter or anything, I do want to darken up the outer corners again. I'm going back to the darker shade there, just tapping that colour there. And then using the fluffy brush, I want to extend that out a little bit. So blend and extend so it sweeps. I'm going to use Dry Rose, which is down there, and I'm going to sweep that underneath my eyes. Using the pink and using the same brush I've been using all along really, I'm just going to sweep that underneath there in the middle, and then going back to the dark rose, using the same brush, just darken up the outer corner, connect it to the top. Because I've got like a pinky brown look going on, I'm going to go for, yeah, I'm going to go for this one. It's got a little bit more of a sparkle. Can you see the third one there? Maybe not. Yeah, that's pretty. That is really pretty. That's gorgeous. So then using the brush, I just blend it, going up and across, blend it into that pink, and underneath I'm going to go back to that pink, slightly intensify the middle there, and then blend that. So that's my rose gold sort of smoky eye look. I'm now going to add a little bit of eyeliner, and then I'm going to be using the mascara from Stylevana and just lining the rims of my eyes. To soften the eyeliner, sort of drag it down onto my lash line so it sort of smudges it a bit. So now onto the mascara, and this is by Hamish, and this is Dalizim. I think I've said that right. And this is a smudge stop mascara. It's volumizing, it curls your lashes, and it's also waterproof. It's got a nice sort of curl to the wand. I'm going to curl my lashes first. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. I've got very, very straight, virtually non-existent eyelashes. I'm very fussy when it does come to mascara because I like my lashes to look really full and thick and not thin. I don't like them looking clumpy, but on the verge of becoming clumpy. If you know what I mean. Give this a go. I'm seeing a difference, so that's good. It usually takes a few coats of mascara for me to really notice my lashes, but no, this is really, really black. It is nice. So yeah, for the first coat, I'm really impressed. I do like it so far. Next eye. Get right in at the roots there. Okay, I'm going to do my under eyes now. So that's my eyes done. I am really, really impressed with this mascara. Yeah, you can see my lashes, which I really like, obviously. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. It's super black and it does thicken and it does lift. So yeah, really, really impressed with that. So the last product to try is a lipstick. This is by Bare Lips and it's in shade Ruddy. It comes in 4 different shades, just to give you an idea there. Again, I really like the packaging. Now considering I didn't choose any of the shades of these products, they've done a really good job at matching me. And especially the colours that I really like as well. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply it and see what happens. I love this. I absolutely love it. It's like a tinted lip balm. It feels amazing. It really feels amazing. And it just gives a really gorgeous sort of subtle colour. I think that's so pretty. I think that is so pretty. So that's my makeup. So I'm going to go off now, do my hair, and then I'll be back. So here's my finished look, a smoky rose eye look, testing out some products that were kindly sent to me from Stylevana. So whether you've watched this video for Valentine's makeup inspiration or to see what type of makeup Stylevana have on their website, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it easy enough to follow along. And yeah, I would definitely recommend Stylevana. I'm not being sponsored, I'm not being paid, it's my own opinion. So thank you to Stylevana for sending these out to me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.